I'm excited to announce that I will be speaking at the Global AI Innovation Summit, Shaping the Future with Artificial Intelligence on January 22nd, 2025. This summit is a must-see, must-attend for tech leaders, innovators, and AI professionals who want to stay at the forefront of AI advancements. During the event, we'll dive into how AI is transforming industries, creating opportunities, and addressing emerging challenges. I'll be sharing insights on artificial intelligence in general, and particularly the intersection of artificial intelligence and quality assurance, offering practical strategies and key trends to help you navigate and leverage the power of AI. Mark January 22nd on your calendars. This event will deliver invaluable knowledge and provide a unique opportunity for you to connect with leading experts and forward-thinking professionals. Please register on the link provided below to secure your spot. I'm looking forward to seeing you there and engaging in thought-provoking discussions about the future of AI. The future of AI is here.